how to find recently added contacts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, uh, you just added a contact but forgot their name or do not want to scroll through the entire list, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Head over to your Shortcuts app. If you don't have it, you can download it from your App Store. Once you're there, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and then in the search action, search for Find Contacts. Open it up and then you can see sort by, tap on none and scroll down, tap on date created. Now tap on order and put latest first. You can even put in limit by toggling it on. You can tap on get 5 contacts. You can increase it, decrease it according to your choice. And then you can just create the shortcut. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.